Churro Crispix. Yummy goodness. A snack you just don't want to put down. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. Okay, you'll want to take a large baking sheet, line it with aluminum foil, and then take some cooking spray and just go ahead and spray that foil just to make sure we don't have any sticking going on. We'll go ahead and set this aside. We'll get a small bowl with 2/3 cup of sugar in it, and then we're going to take 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and we're just going to mix that into the sugar. And once that's combined, we'll go ahead and set this aside. Okay, we're going to grab a large mixing bowl, and we're going to take our cereal. I have 9 cups of Crispix. I use Crispix because it has corn and rice on either side of it. Now that we have the dry cereal in the large mixing bowl, let's go ahead and set this aside. Okay, in a medium saucepan on medium heat, you're going to want 1 stick of butter or 1/2 cup. Melt that a little bit. And then you're going to want to add 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Just keep stirring this over the medium heat, and then heat this mixture until it comes to a boil. Okay, once it starts boiling, we're going to let it boil for 1 minute, stirring constantly. Make sure you are stirring this so it does not burn or stick. Okay, after that 1 minute, we're going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're going to stir this, and it's going to become a light in color and a little bit foamy looking, but just keep stirring it in until it's well stirred in and looks all combined. Okay, go ahead and remove this from the heat and come over to the counter. Okay, now that we have it over here at the counter with the dry cereal, we're going to pour it all over the dry cereal. And we're just going to gently stir this just to get all of the dry cereal coated. Okay, now that we've got everything coated, we're going to go ahead and bring our sheet pan back over that was lined with aluminum foil and sprayed. We're going to just dump that onto that pan. And we're going to try and spread this out gently without smashing our cereal. We're going to go ahead and take our cinnamon and sugar mix that we made, and we're going to just spread that over the top. Now we're going to put this in a preheated 350-degree oven for the first bake for 5 minutes. This has been in the oven for 5 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and take a spatula, and we're just going to fold it, flip it, just kind of stir it around, get everything coated. We're going to put it back in the oven for 3 to 5 more minutes. This is after the second bake. We're just going to go ahead again and just stir it around. It smells wonderful. My goodness. Now you can put this on any surface that you want to cool. I'm going to pull out some parchment paper here, and I'm just going to flip it onto the parchment paper and let it cool. Now I've got it on the parchment paper. We're just going to let it cool for a few moments, maybe 10-15 minutes at least. Please do not try it at this moment. It is very, very hot and it will burn your mouth. So just let it cool and then it'll be ready to eat. All right, the Churro Crispix is done. It's cooled off enough to where I could break it into smaller pieces. So let's go ahead and get David in here to try it. Hey, David! I got some yummy. Oh, you want Buckeye to try?
To eat.
Oh, no.
Give him a little piece. Yeah, give him a little piece. Oh, that's it.
That went great. Okay.
I love these things.
Yes,
I'm not going to lie to you.
One of his favorite flavors is cinnamon churro.
It's churros.
Yeah.
Who doesn't love a churro? You ever had a hot churro? Oh,
It's got like the caramely kind of texture, plus the cinnamon flavor, and the crunch.
It's chewy.
The crunch of the Crispix. Now, I use the Crispix because it has the corn and the rice on both sides. So you don't.
And the recipes all call for using both Chexes. Wide when you have one cereal that can do it all, and you don't have to buy 2 boxes of cereal unless you want it. Yeah. But Crispix is perfect. Stuff works amazing. Great. It's glazy. It's chewy.
Yes, it's a quick dessert if you need a quick snack or a quick sweet to eat.
Or a churro fix.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Anyway, that is delicious. That is a winner. I mean,
I love the chew.
You shouldn't have to have an excuse like Christmas to eat this stuff. You should just be able to make it when you want to make it. What do you think that cost, honestly, with a box of Crispix? $5 or $6.
Yeah. Yeah, because most of the ingredients you already have on the end.
It makes a lot. Yep. It makes a lot. There's a big bowl over there. So anyway.
Right.
Yeah.
Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Have a churro day. Churro day.
Churro day.
Later.
See ya.